SafeMoon Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the SafeMoon. What's the current price of SafeMoon? What's the price change on the SafeMoon? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, the currently and latest price of the SafeMoon in the market is 0.00003 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the SafeMoon. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the SafeMoon, so the price change occur in the SafeMoon is negative. Last one day, last 1 week pricing is negative. So my friends, don't worry about this changes. You know what? Today the whole cryptocurrency's price change is negative. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Which, and Shiba. This all coin price change is negative. Same like that, the SafeMoon price is also negative. So this does not mean that you are disappointed by the SafeMoon. No, don't be disappointed and think book positive, my friends. Now, if you look the latest last 1 hour price change up to SafeMoon, so in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, the SafeMoon start pump. Maybe there's a possibility to they continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, my friends, my personal advice, my personal recommendation for all of you is that please hold. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. You can see here, my friend, that is the last 1 week price chart of the SafeMoon, and from this chart everyone can understand that the price is going down completely. The price is going down. So if the price is going down, so that's mean that you're in the loss, and the price is going down from the previous last 1 month. So if you're a holder of the SafeMoon from the 1 month, then you're completely in the loss, and the price change is negative 27.43 USD dollar. That is the price change. My friends, my advice, my recommendation, my personally special advice for all of you is that please hold it, don't decide to sell. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you are completely in the loss. So be safe from loss and hold it, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.